Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get free bets on Bet365. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in bet365.com. Once you press enter, you'll be taken to this website. Now, once you're on this website, you'll have to log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on this link. Once you have created your account, click on the login button. Then, enter your login credentials on this box and click on this button. Once you do so, you'll be logged into your account. Now, to get free bets, all you have to do is click on your profile at the top right corner. Once this menu opens up, click on this section where it says My Offers. On this section, it will show all the offers that Bet365 provides. From this, you can get free bets. For example, if you deposit $10, you will get $30 in your account, so that will be $40 in total. Just like this, keep checking My Offers section, and you'll get free bets time and again. So, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. I'll catch you on the next one.